Hello everyone, today we will introduce you with our vegetable garden. 2 months ago, 3 tomato saplings were planted. It took 3 weeks to grow flowers. The yellow colored flowers had the nice fragrances. Tomatoes were first cultivated in Mexico. Tomatoes can consume as raw or cooked. It can use as sauces, salads and drinks. Tomatoes are classified in berries, fruits, but these are used as vegetables. Tomato is not alone. Cucumber, squash, avocados of all kinds are botanically fruits. We harvest about 3 kg tomatoes distributed to our neighbors, friends and us. Chilies were also produced in good numbers in our roof garden. Chilies were also produced in good numbers in our roof garden. Be happy, never give up. Bye bye.